Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Anfield for my daily Anfield Road expansion update. So we're going to get over and have a good look around now. After yesterday's news by Liverpool, we can all start singing off the same song sheet now and just, wanting this build to get finished. So the sooner, the better for everyone. You had me ranting yesterday and that's all I'm going to say about it. So I'm going to move on to the more positive aspects of everything now. That's that stuff I saw the other few days. Was it earlier this week when I saw and I said it's looks like it's for a ridge. And there it is. That must be the stuff there. So covering the gap between the shoulder and the shoulder spans and the back spans. So I'm testing. Let me just zoom out and have a little scan around the roof here. And as you know about the brickwork, you can only do. So I'm gonna come out and go a bit higher so I can get. Yeah, now I've got plenty of room. I just don't like flying zoomed in. It's very disorientating. Yeah, you can only build up 30 courses a day before it starts putting pressure on the bottom mortar, as people have let me know, which I thank everyone for that. Wonder what that's for. Yeah, so as we know now, the bottom tier will be fully open for the Bournemouth game, and then a few more weeks after that, the upper tier should be ready to go then, with the concourses ready. One question that keeps getting asked is those that have bought corporate tickets, because I understand that the corporate section won't be open. People that have bought corporate tickets, I wonder what happens to them. Some people have come from different countries, they booked hotels, flights, etc. to come over here and watch Liverpool play on that day. My understanding is that you'll be relocated elsewhere in the stadium. So those tickets that would normally go to like members and stuff like that, they're going to be scaled back to accommodate the ones that have already bought tickets for the corporate sections and maybe the upper tier as well. Ones that have been promised a season ticket for the upper tier. They'll be getting relocated elsewhere in the grounds, and I think refunded accordingly as well. So you'll only pay for the match ticket if you like, a normal match day ticket, rather than the ones that pay for corporate, pay for the hospitality, the food, the drinks, the prawn sandwiches that go with it. So I hope that puts people's minds at ease, and well done to Liverpool for sorting that out. If that's what's going to happen, a few people have said it, so I'll take that as that's what's going to happen. So the cladding is coming round on the shoulder span now, so all the back's going to start getting covered up there. But the brickwork's almost up as well. Again, without being up close and counting the exact rows of bricks, I could probably count from here, but how far up does 30 courses go? It can't be that high, can it? How high is a brick? It's not that high. 4 to 6 inches, something like that. But so with the Bournemouth game's definitely going ahead at home. There's not going to be any reverse fixture, which people were saying there'd be reverse. As I knew there wouldn't be a reverse fixture, because one of the other rumours that it did is that Liverpool had asked Bournemouth to reverse the fixture, and Bournemouth said no. So that wasn't an option. So they've got to open the grounds, whether it be reduced capacity or not. Oh yeah, they've gone really high in the air there. I can see from the grounds. down again. Right, nice about the stands. Okay. Yeah, again, that's just a rumour about Bournemouth saying no. Don't know if Liverpool have asked or not. Get round here. Again, I'm not mentioning anything about this corner anymore until I see work going on there now, because it starts arguments in the comments section. It's a little tiny bit of a corner piece, you know. What it is, we'll soon find out, won't we? Yeah, so the priority is going to be getting the outside ready. All the infrastructure outside's got to be done in the next 3 weeks. So the road's got to be done, the pavement's got to be done, all the cladding's got to be finished, all the brickwork's got to be finished. So it's safe, so it's not a building site basically for people to walk into, so they can go into a nice ground. So let's go down here. That's the way in and out, isn't it? I just thought there's something going on there because there's people walking around, but they're just entering the site and leaving the site, that's it. Yeah, so it's going to be all hands on deck to get the outside finished, and yeah, the sooner it's done the better for everyone. I can't wait to see it finished. Look, you know, people have had to go at me. I'm a Liverpool fan. I want to see it finished. I want to see it finished on time, just like everyone else does. But it's a case of we're all on the same song sheet now. We all know what's going on. Let's just hope it's done sooner rather than later, and then we're going to have a brand new stand. And then hopefully we might hear something about one of the other stands getting done, maybe. That'd be nice. Just to try and even the ground out a bit. But people keep saying it looks lopsided. Come right down and have a look down here. People want me to have a look on the car park, well, which I'll do when I'm finishing up in a minute. There's still loads of materials in this area, isn't there? Wonder what it's all for. Obviously the bricks are there because the brickies need them. What's that on the deck there? That's just a stillage, is it? Yeah. Yeah, also from Monday, guys, I'm going to be away till Friday, so I'm going to miss this crest going up because apparently it's going to start putting it up on Monday. And I reckon by Friday it'll be done. So by the time I get back from my break, it'll be finished. So I'll get videos out every day between now and Sunday, and then I'll be away on Monday. If I can get one up Monday morning, I will, and then the next one will be probably Saturday. But I might have things planned between then.
So, and you can just go further. So, I've never go like that.
Might try and make some videos up to schedule to go on. So just an area that people wanted to look at. There's a lot of materials there, yeah, you're right. What they are, I don't know. Stillages, that'll be where glass has been on. Oh, they sort. Oh no, the crates. I thought they were solar panels. Anything else of interest? These boxes, are they? Okay, crates don't do what's in them. Tiles, flooring, something for the walls maybe. People don't know, I just haven't got a clue. Little yappy dog by me then. Yeah. Anything else you want me to have a close look at, guys, let me know. Have a look down here. Yeah, that cherry pick has come down now. But obviously working on the cladding up above, aren't they? It's just the cladding that they're using. Remember we saw the lads the other day carrying it along. It was getting dropped off about there, wasn't it? So yeah, it's probably that. Okay. Right guys, I'm going to leave it there. I am a Liverpool fan. I've been a Liverpool fan all my life. I've been going to match all my life. I followed Liverpool all around. So I want this done as much as anyone. I'm not a Liverpool hater. Just if there's news to share, I'll share it. Right, if you like the channel, please subscribe. It really helps me out. I had quite a lot of subscribers over the last couple of days, so yeah, that's very kind of you all to subscribe. If you like the video, please give it a like. It gives it the spread for other people to see. And comments, I always reply to the comments. I spent hours yesterday replying to comments for obvious reasons. But yeah, thank you everyone for watching. Even the haters, I love it. Bring it on. But apart from that, look after yourselves and I'll see you all soon. Bye now.